We're here at Stage 1 Engineering today to look at the test and build of our brand new Yorkshire Roses. You can see behind me the quality of the sculpture that we've got. It's not finished yet. All the lighting, the music, the sound to go with it on top is going to make it an amazing experience for people in Barnsley and far and wide. And the actual complexity of the work and the technology, the engineering, the fabrication, the design is just out of this world really. And to get world class into Barnsley like this is just going to be absolutely fantastic for the borough and for the town.
So the purpose of your lovely visit here today is to come and have a look at this wonderful test build of the Yorkshire Rose sculptures, showcasing the lighting, the sound and the sculpture in its glory and its size for everyone to understand what they're going to be getting. This one is definitely a unique project. It's super challenging because there's lots of components to it and we need to make it all fit together and look wonderful. It's been really fun for everyone involved. The metal shop guys have outdone themselves. We're really proud of it and yeah, we're excited to be a part of this. So today we've had a presentation. I gave a presentation on how we made them, the ideas behind it, the design process, how we fabricated them, how we built them. We then went for a tour, so to look around the buildings. We do a lot of in-house manufacturing here, so there's lots to see. They're still working on the petals over in Metal Shop, so we could see the 15-metre petals being made and the scale of them. We've had a presentation as well from DZA, who are our lighting partners. They showed us some VR versions, so you can see what it's going to look like in the space, which is really cool for everyone. It's super exciting to see what we think it's going to look like. You put it in a different space, it looks different. So yeah, we're really happy to have had everyone and tell the crowd.
It's brilliant, the complexity, the high engineering standards that have gone into this, the high quality care and control that's gone into the manufacturing process. It's great Yorkshire engineering that's pulled this together. It's something everybody can be really proud of. The one behind me isn't the biggest one, so you know, the Mother Rose is still to come. But we're really pleased with what we've seen. Everything's on schedule and it's going to be a real amazing attraction for the borough.